Hey friends, thanks for joining me today. So on Saturday, you got a little teaser of my most recent order from Stamping Up. And today I thought I'd show you a little more of what I got, a little more in depth of what I've got. It contains a few of the new online exclusives, not excuses, although we do need excuses for crafting, right? Sometimes. So anyway, it contains some of the new online exclusive. It also had some items that were on clearance, so I thought I'd pick those up as well. And of course, I got a few freebies during celebration. When you place an order of $60 or more, or $120, you get to pick some celebration items. And on February 4th, Stamping Up added about, I think 11 more, maybe it was a little more, but definitely I think it was 11 more items. And they were really cool. I mean, there's the butterfly set on that you guys know how much I love. And also the alphabet dies. Wow, amazing. Anyway, let's get started. All right, so I've got my big box all here and ready for you. So one of the items that I recently ordered, and this will be available to you on March 4th, or if you join my team, you can get it sooner in your starter kit. So it's really great. We have a wonderful promotion now going on that you can get your starter kit for $99, and you can either add the your choice of Stampin' Write markers. You get 2 sets with a exclusive stamp set, or you can add an additional $30 to your $125, bringing it up to $155. And if you've been eyeing that Stampin' Cut and Emboss machine, you can get that now for $99. So it's a great time to join my team. If you have any questions, please reach out to me. I'd love to answer them and help you get started as well. All right, so this is one of the items. It's the mini corrugated 3D embossing folder. I think this is going to be amazing. I don't know if you guys remember, but years ago they had a different one, and I know it's hard to tell, but you'll see me using this soon enough. But it kind of reminds me of, you know, the inside of cardboard and stuff. Here, I wonder if I can, probably not on these boxes because I don't think they're thick enough. No. Yeah, I mean, you could see it a little bit, but it's kind of like corrugated, you know, corrugated cardboard. So anyway, while I have this open, this is also one of the new kits. When you order the kits, the stamping kits, you get the coordinating ink spot. So this one is pecan pie, a beautiful exclusive stamp set that you can use over and over again. Just doesn't have to be used on this kit. And you get the gorgeous kit. Isn't that beautiful? Oh my gosh, I can't wait to break into this. You also get, I think there's a block in here. Yes, there's a block in here. It's not the ergonomic block, but it's still a great block. And envelopes, tear and tape, dimensionals, and all the other components that you need to make the cards. Then the other kit I bought is the, so this was the, what is this one called? The heirloom kit, I think. I took the wrapper off, so I don't remember what it's called now. Heirloom arrangements kit, that's what I just pulled out for you, and I did get 2. I am having a kit together, and in case some of my ladies want to purchase this, then I bought a couple of extras. So this one is called So Much to Celebrate kit. Now this is just a kit that you, there's no stamping involved, so it's a little less price point, and all the pieces that you need, again, are here also included. And it includes, look at these. I mean, aren't they adorable? They're little ladybugs. I had no idea this was in this kit, so I'm very surprised about that. Love that. And that is the So Much to Celebrate kit. As I said, I got a couple of those. I ordered this beanie. It was on sale for like $8, so I ordered that. Now, I love beanies. My head's always cold in the winter. And then I ordered a Stampin' Up shirt. Unfortunately, this is only available to demonstrators, so I am sorry about that. let's see, what else did we get? I got this adorable Peekaboo Forest stamp set and the coordinating dies. Now I have to tell you a story about these dies. They did arrive damaged. They were like in the box, bent over, the flap and stuff. So I did contact Stampin' Up, and they will be sending me a new set of these. I just wanted to say, you know, Stampin' Up is just amazing. It's an amazing company. No questions asked. They said you can keep them. You don't even have to return them to us. So I just love it. I ordered some more of the brushed brass butterflies because I know these are going to be going away soon. I love them so much. Some linen thread. I use that a lot. I also ordered the, what is this called? Night of Navy and Gold ribbon. It's got some glitter on it. I don't know if you can see that if it picks it up. Hopefully it does, so that's really pretty. Then I also ordered the Starburst sequins. So aren't they pretty? They actually look like, you know, the embossing folder that you could get for free with a purchase of $60 or more during celebration. It kind of looks like that, so really cool. Sorry about the glare, but you get the idea. Then this kit I've been wanting to get, and I finally got it. It's a scrapbooking kit, but it's not only scrapbooking. As I've seen others doing, you could make, once you make the kits, and these kits come with all the components to make 4 pages. The what does it come with? That doesn't really say, does it? So, you know, let's open it up. Although, let's see. I love these new bags that they have these in because it makes it easy. When you're done with the layouts, you can put them in the bags until you're ready to use them. Okay, there we go. So, and it comes with all the instructions on how to make the kit, how to put it together, how to cut the pieces. So really, really awesome. And this is something that Close to My Heart used to do when they were around. So if you're familiar with Close to My Heart, then you're familiar with the way that they put their kits together. So we've got the cute bee paper, some other little DSP here, and I think there should be 2 sheets of each, although it looks like the bee paper, there's only 1. But these are the pieces, there's 2. So I'll have to check, make sure, because it's kind of weird that all these other ones have 2 except for the bee only has the 1. So, and then you have your 2-tone cardstock. So you've got a darker color on one side, and then you've got the lighter color on the other side. So we have Old Olive and Pool Party. I think there's also Pretty in Pink in here, or maybe it's Bubble Bath. I get those 2 confused. They're so similar to each other. What is this? Another green one, it looks like. So, and that's the lighter side. And then we also have some white, and then these are the cutouts. Really can't see that, but those are die cuts. There's flowers and hearts in all the different colors. And then we've got a nice little sticker sheet, so you don't even need adhesive to glue to put these down. And then we have the placeholders for your photos. So really cool kit. I can't wait to start playing with this. I've been wanting to get back into scrapbooking, and I'm so happy that Stampin' Up brought this out, because now this is kind of like my segue to scrapbooking again and finishing up those albums that I never finished. So this is the stamp and die set, and you do not need the stamp and die set to do the kits, the scrapbook layouts. These are additional, but I really loved the hexagon die cuts, and also how it says Hive, and then you've got the background for it. And I think that says, oh, Our Hive. How cool is that? So very cute, very cute. I think this was another item that I got as a celebration item. And then we also have this. Now, I didn't get the kit for this, but I did like the DSP. It's probably easier to open this side for this one, and it's called Everyday Happiness. I really like the colors, is what I really liked. So I could use this in my card making, I can use it in scrapbooking, I can use it for any different projects, but as I mentioned, I do love the colors of it. And let me take it out for you now that I opened it, and I don't remember which side I opened it on. Here we go, I think it's on this side. So there we go. So let's slide those out. And then I also got just plain white. It's 12 by 12. I seem to use that a lot also. So we have some plaid, and there are 4 sheets of each. And then the other side is wild wheat. This is kind of like a pool party, I think. Pretty Peacock maybe, and Lost Lagoon, or just Lost Lagoon and Pretty Peacock maybe. Actually, you know what? Silly me. I always forget that on the back of the cardboard, it says the colors. So we have Gray Granite, Lost Lagoon, Mossy Meadow, Pecan Pie, Pretty Peacock, Very Vanilla, and Wild Wheat. Okay, so I had it right, sort of. Look, isn't this pretty with the leaves, the vines going down? And then the other side has some pretty rose images. I really like that. And then this one kind of reminds me of raindrops. And then the other side is more, oh, look at that, of a watercolor wash with a little bit of speckles around. So really, really pretty. And so there's 3 designs in here, 4 each, so with a total of 12 sheets. So that is all I got. I didn't want to go crazy because we have our Stampin' Up! Has their on stage coming soon, and what's on stage is it's kind of like the convention, and we get to view the new products that are going to be available and get the new catalog that will be available to customers come May. So I'm so excited about that. But what I'm most excited about is I get to see all my friends and stuff. I see something like in the screen here. I'm not sure what that is though. I don't know what that is. Huh. Something over there on the right side of the screen. I'm not sure what that is because I don't see it on the screen. So anyway, so it's a convention and I get to see all that and I'm very excited. But as I was saying, I am very excited to see all my friends and all my teammates that are attending. It's going to be in North Carolina in March. And I also get to see my very dear friend Yael, who lives in North Carolina, and another friend Joanne, who just recently moved there. So really excited about that. That's coming up in less than a month. And that's where I'll be in March for a week and a half. No, just 1 week I'll be there. Anyway, friends, thanks so much for stopping by and watching today. I appreciate you. If you have any questions about anything that I was showing today, like I said, some of it is available. The kits are available right now. And the scrapbooking paper, the DSP and the B set, that's also available right now. What's not available right now is the mini corrugated embossing folder and the 2 Stampin' die sets that I got, and also these Starburst sequins. So the Peekaboo Forest is not available yet, and I think that's it, right, because the B one is available. So anyway, if you have questions, please reach out to me. I'd be more than happy to help. And if you're ready to get started with Stampin' Up, I'd be happy to answer any of your questions that you may have. All right, friends, thanks for joining me. Have a great day. Bye-bye.